Hello, it is Liam again, and as you can see, I'm about to hit ready to slice. This will begin to just turn the image into G-code. Like I say, try to choose an image with less detail than this, as this is more nasty than I was expecting as far as it. And a lot of the detail, like the small nostrils on the turtle, will be lost. However, to prepare the printer, we're going to look, see if the build plate is clean as it is. This printer should be fine. So what we're going to, you want to check the nozzle height and stuff, but you need to grab your little micro SD card reader and plug it into your computer with an adapter, like so. Like I say, sorry for making this thing so long, it's just how it is. As you can see, it's almost done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check to make sure our filament's good, check to make sure it's not broken or anything up there, check to make sure it's actually winding. Make sure you have enough filament. If there's not enough, then go to filament, change filament, and break it out and move it out. Also do this if there's a break in the filament. It'll give you the instructions on the thing. But other than that, what you want to do is you want to grab your glue stick, and you want to basically, you want to do this more closer to when you're actually going to print. But you want to take your glue stick and, well, just cover the build surface. You don't need a ton. I'm using way more than what's needed. All you basically need is on these axes here, as that's where it's actually gonna print. Then you go, once this is done, you save it to, you hit save to removable. It will save. Check to make sure that there is no error messages. Eject. Then what you want to also double check your G code to make sure everything's good. You do this by going over to view, show, and then you want to show all these. This will show you all the tubes and extrusions that will make up your model. This appears to be good. You should see, well, you should see your model, and you should also see a brim here. This brim is what's going to help support it. So we're going to take our little reader, go over to our printer, plug it in, hit build. Then we're going to look for our G-code file. Which, in this case, this one's going to take a while. It's going to take like up to 6 hours. What we want to do then is we want to take a little bit of paper towel. And since it's going to take a long time to heat up and stuff, we want to take a paper towel. Make sure that there's no water dripping off of it. But make sure there's no water dripping off of it, but it should be wet, just a tad. And carefully make sure that you don't touch anything else. So right now it's leveling, so don't mess with it. But what we're gonna do is, to make sure it sticks, we are gonna use a little of water on it, because otherwise the glue will dry too fast. See, it's coming back down. Now is an okay time to mess with it, and you want to do it and just apply until it's purple. You should have no water on it. It should just be the wet glue. Just there. And then you should be good enough to go. As you can see, it's heating up, and, well, you'll get a nice lithophone from it. Anyways, thank you for listening to this long thing. It was not edited down because I am lazy, but if all things go according to plan, you should have something like this. Or, unfortunately, this one has a crack because PLA is dumb, but like this.